It's race on here at El Trueno. A great start for the favourites. Natural Fever breaking in. Pounding down the course, it's Cactus Countess. Champion's Heart wants the front, followed by Practical Princess. Nautical Vixen, jockeying for position. With 900 metres to go, it's Cactus Countess. Natural Fever in second position. A length behind, it's Nautical Vixen. Champion's Heart next. Closely followed by Practical Princess. Cactus Countess on the head of affairs. Natural Fever in second. 2 lengths away, it's Champion's Heart. Then Nautical Vixen. Cactus Countess out in front. Natural Fever in second position. Champion's Heart next. 1 length behind, it's Nautical Vixen. Cactus Countess still outrunning the rest. Natural Fever in second place. 3 lengths behind, it's Champion's Heart. Cactus Countess once again in the front spot. Natural Fever in second spot. Just behind, it's Nautical Vixen. It's race on here at El Trueno, and the favourite is driving the pace right from the go. Dubious Askin is right there. Holiday's Acrobat is the front runner. Beetle Buddy scraping the paint off the rails. Head and head with Dubious Askin. A length away, it's Poltergeist Princess. Holiday's Acrobat takes the lead. Dubious Askin in second spot from Beetle Buddy. 2 lengths behind, it's Assassin's Abacus. Stride for stride with Poltergeist Princess. Holiday's Acrobat striking the front. Beetle Buddy in second place. says. With 300 metres to go, it's Beetle Buddy. Holidays Acrobat wants the front. Dubious Baskets in third position. Tension building as they set sail for home. It's Holidays Acrobat. Beetle Buddy in second. They're away. Matching music is off to a fabulous start. Hunters would be happy with themselves early. Sniffle is also in the firing line. Continuing around the track, it's Sniffle. Matching music wants the front. Just behind, it's Cherub Chance. Marmalade Blueprint is fighting. On their back is Queen of Rumble. Matching music leading the field. Sniffle in second position. A length behind, it's Marmalade Blueprint, dueling with Cherub Chance. Matching music, maintaining the lead. Sniffle in second. Next, it's Marmalade Blueprint. A length away, it's Cherub Chance. Still going, it's Matching Music. Secretary Sniffle in second position. 2 lengths behind, it's Marmalade Blueprint from Cherub Chance. Matching Music at the head of affairs. Secretary Sniffle in second place. Stalls back racing. Experimental Point off to a magnificent start. Bookies are nervous. Knight's Planet going with them. Experimental Point running for fun. Knight's Planet in second spot. A length behind, it's Kumquat Hiss contending with Manifold Fury. Truffle Touch getting eager. Heads up and down with Eternal Presence. The race continues with Experimental Point. Knight's Planet on the rails. And then it's Kumquat Hiss. Truffle Touch travelling off the fence. 2 lengths away, it's Assassin's Waistcoat. Experimental Point dictating the pace. Knight's Planet in second place. 4 lengths behind, it's Kumquat Hiss. A length away, it's Truffle Touch. Experimental Point keeping the lead. Knight's Planet in second spot. Next, it's Kumquat Hiss. 3 lengths away, it's Truffle Touch. In the shadows of the post, Truffle Touch wants the front. 1 length behind, it's Knight's Planet.